Hi folks, here Kevin and Carolina with EA Home Design.
Hi, how are you?
We are going through a kitchen that we recently remodeled. Of course, not only kitchen, the big space that I'm going to explain about it. This space was designed ultimately by Carolina, which she has done a great job on it. And I'm going to explain a little bit about what we did here and how the layout was before and what we changed in this kitchen. Of course, where I'm standing right now, there was a wall here, and the kitchen, the original, the old kitchen was only in this space. That was the dining room only. And we removed this wall, of course. We connected the two spaces, and we're going to show you the other side. And there was a small opening to the room in the adjacent area, which we made it bigger and wider.
We removed the pantry, a huge pantry here, and we extend and make all our pantries in this section. That means we build this section just for the pantry cabinets, refrigerator, and coffee area.
Yes, and then the original sink of the kitchen was here. It was a smaller window. We make the window bigger. We just left the prep sink, a small sink there, and we changed this window to a bigger window, larger window, and we moved the main sink of the kitchen here. And now by opening the space, if you will notice that there is two islands in this kitchen. You have two islands for a bigger family that they can sit on both islands, or if you have company. It's a great setup and very functional. Added a 48-inch range, high BTU, and with a pot filler on top. You can see, can accommodate filling up the pots. And then having a two sink, actually they have a nice feature here. This is actually a sparkling water filter that you can add to your kitchen next to the sink. We have built-in trash cans. We have some accessories that Carolina, you can open them and show them.
Here the lemons. You can see it's very useful to keep all the pots inside.
Yeah, these are for blind corner cabinets that you use.
And we also had here, as you can see, the two drawers cabinets where you can put all the pots here too, all very well.
Overall, it really revamped the space in this house, and of course the owners were very happy with the outcome and the result, and we really love it. And if you have any questions, any comments, just let us know. You can see before and after pictures on our website, and also we'll post some on our Instagram. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Thank you.